Your company has data, lots of it. Marketing data, sales data, financial data. You're always collecting it, and every tool you add to your stack, you're collecting even more. And that data can help you make better decisions and improve your company's performance. It can help you improve your marketing by targeting more profitable customer segments or getting a better return on investment, or improve your product by reducing churn, increasing upgrades, or driving more feature adoption, or improve your sales by improving close rates, increasing conversion rates, and forecasting trends. The question is, how? How do you actually take that data and use it to improve your company's performance and ultimately increase revenue? That's what I'm going to explore in all new episodes of Metrics and Chill. Each episode, I'll be talking with successful business leaders to learn one practical way that they're using their data to improve their company's performance. Guests will share how they leverage data to set targets, craft better plans, improve marketing, increase sales, and a ton more. You'll learn how to collect data, analyze it, and most importantly, take action on it. Each interview will be hosted live, so you can attend if you want to ask the guest your questions. If you want to attend the live show or get the recorded episodes emailed to you, join our free newsletter, Move the Needle. Each issue, I summarize the best insights from each interview and send them to your inbox along with a playbook, a practical step-by-step guide to help you implement those lessons at your company. To sign up, visit databox.com/newsletter or subscribe to Metrics and Chill on your favorite podcast app. See you there.